Welcome to Harbour Yacht and Country Club. Come check out my newest listing. This Argosy model is one of my favorite in the community. It's the perfect size, has plenty of living space as well as dining areas, and it's the absolute dream to entertain in. Imagine waking up every day here in your master bedroom suite, and I can't wait to show you this newly renovated master bath. Not only is this home the perfect size, being a split bedroom floor plan, your master bedroom suite has maximum privacy from your guests.